Everyone know how to shut down any computer or laptop very easy. It's very common. Just press start menu, click on power and then shut down. Some people using keyboard shortcut like pressing window icon plus X key, then U key twice to shut down. Also another way, press Alt plus F4 key, then enter to shut down. And there are so many other ways to shut down any computer or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you very interesting way, slide to shut down. To do this, right click on desktop, new, then click on shortcut. Type exact the code that is showing right here. I will provide this code in description below. You can download from there. Click next to continue. Also you can change the name, any name you can have it. You can change to any name. I'm going to do WebJack. Click to finish. Also you can change the image, right click property, change icon, click OK. You can select any icon from here, or you can browse from any from your computer. You can have your own picture. Then click OK, apply, OK. Next time when you want to shut down, you just click on it and it will shut down like that. I'm not going to shut down at this time because I am recording the video. Otherwise you can go like this and shut down. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video.